Hi there, in this video I'll walk you through how to move a table in Google Docs. Let's start with step 1, selecting and cutting the table. First, open the document that has the table you want to move. Then click and drag your mouse over the table to highlight the whole thing. Make sure you include all the rows and columns. If you miss part of it, the table might not move correctly. Once it's selected, right-click and choose Cut, or you can press Ctrl+X on your keyboard. Now for step 2, choosing the new spot for the table, scroll through your document to the section where you want the table to go. Right-click at that spot and select Paste, or just press Ctrl+V. The table will now appear right where your cursor was placed. Take a moment to double-check that it looks the way you want. Sometimes spacing or formatting can shift slightly after moving it. And that's it. You've moved your table to a new location. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps, and happy editing in Google Docs.